armies. Did you think I'd be out here on the frontier without good reason? Yes, Rome needs a strong frontier. No, Rome doesn't need unwashed barbarians at her gates. So, that's why I'm here, the leader of the Julii, to bring Roman order to stinking Gauls. Revenge? That'd be good too. This war against the Gauls won't last long. And when it's done, I've got plans. This is all about power. Power in Rome. Going down that road means dealing with all my rivals. The Senate, the Greeks, those Carthaginian elephant riders, the Scipii and the Brutii families too. After all, the man who controls Rome rules the world. And one day, I will be emperor.
This is a fine day to be a Roman going into battle. Every day is a fine day for a battle when your heart is set on doing your duty. Victory was ours!
Piegate le vele, tutti al proprio posto.
In posizione, vostra maestà. Sì, mio sire.
Over there! The baby-murdering and treacherous Carthaginians are waiting for us. They wait for death beneath our swords. My eyes see only a red mist. I do not want them to run from the battle. I want their heads on our pikes by evening. Their wickedness. So beware. In victory, they are cruel beyond words.
In viaggio.
The enemy have nowhere left to run. They must hold us here, or like so many ghosts, vanish away utterly. So let us take up our arms one last time, sharpen the sword, and make ready. This will be the day of their final, lasting defeat!
di battaglia!
The Numidian army we face lacks all courage. True, they put up a good front, but this hides the cowardice in their hearts. There is no word in their tongue for bravery. They do have words for run and flee.
Such a victory! The day